Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Following that, you need to scroll down to access Privacy and Security. Then choose Location Services at the top and click on the gray switcher next to Location Services to switch them on. As you can see, location is enabled. If you wish to disable it, you can always do that by choosing the same now green switcher and then hitting turn off in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!